I love my customers. We take very good care of them. We always try to have a very kind relationship with our customers. But our culture right now is we take care of each other first. And if we take care of each other first and we're kind to each other first and we look out for each other first, we will do a good job taking care of our customers. And that has become our culture over the years. And I really do try to embody it. I feel a very important responsibility to be a good leader within my own company. And a lot of the time, I did not want that responsibility. I just want to keep doing what I want to do. This isn't a job. This is just the thing I do. And y'all are just making some money on the side. And by reading that book and learning from working with people what was possible, if I decided to be a leader, if I decided to promote that kindness from within, I was hoping that it would work out. And it really has. And there have been challenges over the years to it, but I definitely think that if I'm always showing gratitude to the people who work with me, if I'm always looking, make sure they're getting treated fairly, both by me, each other, by the customers, then it's going to work out